Pennsylvania steam locomotives. Pennsylvania is famous for its historic steam trains, which take us back to the golden age of rail travel. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, steam locomotives powered Pennsylvania's railroads, carrying coal, steel, passengers, and goods across the state. The Pennsylvania Railroad was once the largest railroad system in the world and played a huge role in America's industrial growth. Today, you can still see and ride these powerful steam trains at heritage railways like the Strasburg Railroad. With their loud whistles, billowing steam, and massive iron wheels, these locomotives remind us of a time when steam ruled the rails. Pennsylvania's steam trains are not just machines, they are living history. Steam trains in Pennsylvania were not just about travel, they were the backbone of everyday life. In the steam era, railroads decided how fast cities grew and how industries survived. Pennsylvania had rich coal fields, and steam locomotives ran almost non-stop to move coal from mines to power plants, factories, and homes. Without steam trains, industries would slow down, and cities would go dark. Running a steam locomotive was hard work. Engineers had to control speed and pressure, while firemen shoveled tons of coal into the firebox to keep the engine alive. The heat was intense, the work exhausting, and mistakes could be dangerous. These trains were powerful, but they demanded skill and discipline. Steam trains also shaped communities. Towns were built around railway stations, workshops, and yards. The sound of a steam whistle meant jobs, supplies, and connection to the outside world. For many families, the railroad was their livelihood. By the mid-20th century, diesel and electric trains replaced steam engines. They were cleaner, cheaper, and easier to maintain. Pennsylvania steam locomotives were built for strength, speed, and endurance. Most of these locomotives were powered by coal, which was abundant in Pennsylvania. Coal was burned in the firebox, heating water in a large boiler. The steam produced high pressure, which pushed pistons back and forth. This motion turned the driving wheels and moved the locomotive forward. One of the most famous Pennsylvania locomotives was the K4's class. It was designed for passenger service and could pull long trains at high speed. Known for its smooth ride and reliability, the K4s became a symbol of American steam power. For heavy freight, Pennsylvania used massive locomotives like the I-1's decapod. These engines had 10 driving wheels, giving them tremendous pulling power. They were used to haul coal and steel trains through mountains and long distances. Pennsylvania locomotives were also known for their strong frames and large boilers. This allowed them to work continuously for long hours without stopping. Their loud whistles and thick clouds of steam made them instantly recognizable. Although steam locomotives were powerful, they required constant care. Crews had to monitor water levels, steam pressure, and fire temperature at all times. Because of this, operating a steam locomotive demanded skill, teamwork, and experience. Today, preserved Pennsylvania steam locomotives still run on heritage railways. They stand as engineering masterpieces from an era when fire, water, and steel ruled the rails.